Hyundai Tucson with a 2.0 liter engine. These are the timing marks. This happens to be 2011, but it could be other years. I painted the timing marks right there. They are white. And the two cams. You see the valves are closed on cylinder number 1. These are the lobes here on the cams, and they are on the opposite direction each other on both sides, the intake and exhaust cam. And that's how it looks if you keep seeing to the other side. If you follow the cams right there, that's how they gonna look if you look at them when cylinder number 1 is on top of the center. And now I'm coming here beneath on the crankshaft. That is the time mark right there, and I also painted in white. And this is the guy right there. Also I paint the guy the guy pin for the crankshaft. And that's it.